Manda, thank you very much. My name is Ronald Gundomnyai. I'm from iKhale movement. I'm a national organizer. So we are here to pledge our solidarity to the people of Zimbabwe.
Mhuri yeZimbabwe mutungamiriri weboka reiKhale movement uyo ari kutsanangura apo ari kutaura nhau yekuti iye pamwe chete nechikwata chake vari kuengeja magweta kuti vaendese mutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe vaEmmerson Mnangagwa kudare reInternational Criminal Court nekuda kwekumbunyikidzwa kodzero dzeveruzhinji. Izvi zvatevera kumacha kwakaita chikwata cheiKhale movement pamwe chete nechikwata cheMarch and March vachitsigira zvizvarwa zvenyika yeZimbabwe avo vanga vari kuratidzira vari kumusha kuZimbabwe nekuda kwemamiriro akaita zvino munyika yeZimbabwe. Demonstration inova yakasanganikwa nayo nemapurisa akawandisa zvikuru, ma-state security agencies akanga ari kutenderera achimonita ruzhinji rwenyika yeZimbabwe. Saizvozvo veruzhinji vakasarudza kugara mudzimba.
Manda, thank you very much. My name is Ronald Gundomnyai. I'm from iKhale movement. I'm a national organizer. So we are here to pledge our solidarity to the people of Zimbabwe. Our message is very clear. We are unapologetic. We can see what's happening in Zimbabwe, and I've indicated this to the previous people who interviewing me. I've already briefed my lawyer. This has been done already. We are going to take the government of Mnangagwa to International Criminal Court. This is a decision that we already taken as whatever that happened today in Zimbabwe is just going to strengthen our case in taking the government of Zimbabwe to ICC. We can see what's happening with on the regional politics that is being paraded here with SADC. They are protecting each other. It can't be that President Ramaphosa can be held accountable with Phala, but Mnangagwa can't be held accountable. There's nothing special about Mnangagwa, by the way. Yes. So we're going to enforce the democratic state to be ushered in Zimbabwe with our solidarity. The revolution that is unfolding in Zimbabwe is going to go to Cape, from Cape to Cairo. And this has to happen with the solidarity by South African and also the Zimbabwean in diaspora. South African people must stand up. Progressive forces in Africa must stand up and support what's the human rights that need to be ushered in Zimbabwe. So with those few words, as the iKhale movement, we are saying we hear the plight of people of Zimbabwe. Frame back in Pilombezi now, no to Cap 3. We are demanding the implementation of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
MK, come in.
Amanda! Amanda! Long live the spirit of Thomas Sankara, long live! Long live the spirit of Oliver Tambo, long live! Long live the spirit of Gweri Gwala, long live! Long live the dying spirit of Jacob Zuma, long live! Amanda! Martha! Amanda! Comrades, as Mkondo West is we are very delighted to be here and supporting March and March and the people of Zimbabwe. We are positioned very well by the leadership of Mkondo West that we are supporting March and March and will support it until it ends. Until we win. As Mkondo West that's our position. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. My name is Musa Shongwa. I'm a representative of United South Africans. And I stand here to just say a few things. Mnangagwa, get your boots off the people's necks. That's why we are here. Get your boots off the people's necks. it is about time we get to a point of understanding that our leadership, yes, we respect because we are Africans, we know what that is. But it's painful to be standing here as an African child with a black skin, asking a black president to allow the black people that he's leading to be free. 50 years after we have been doing that as South Africans. And I want to tell Zimbabweans, I'm saying this is a just fight. You guys don't have to be afraid of it. What you are doing is going to be preserved by history, but not only that. And I want to remind you, yes, it's not going to be easy, because we are also taking cognizance and also being very clear of understanding people in Zimbabwe. They do want too much, but if they are treated the way they are as children, who wants to see or be seen being whipped like a child on the street because they just want to express themselves? Because those people are not going there to push the government out. They were saying, this is how we feel about you. And if you are a true leader, you are able to take the negativity that you are doing. That is, if you want to change. You want to be that age and you still want to control people that do not have a right. It is also about time that Zimbabweans are not leaving their country because they are oppressed, but they are living there to explore other places, not because they are treated the way that they're being treated. President, it is a shame, and I'm saying this with disgust, and it's also embarrassing. Do get your boots off the people's neck. We are here to support. We have pledged our support with a March and March, and we stand with them, not because we just love them, but because they took on a difficult fight. Go back home, unite, go there in numbers. They will not destroy all of you, but if you're pushing away from each other, that's when you're going to be having a problem, because what you are doing is also going to be known by Africa. One last one. You are the first country that, after the exodus of the issues we are dealing with in South Africa, that took this and say, you know what, we can bring change in our space, and for that we salute you.
mangozvinzwira muri yezimbabwe kuti kwatiri kuenda uku hakuna kuchena, hakuna kumira zvakanaka. Mhepo dzacho dzinenge dzasimuka zvakanyanya munyika, uyewo manzwa vakuru vemapolitical parties munyika yezimbabwe vari kutaurawo shoko rekuti pari zvino pachava nekugeda-geda kwemeno munyika yezimbabwe, sezvo pachazoitwa mademonstrations akawandisa ane chinangwa chekuda kumisa kusainwa kwakaitwa bill number 3 into law nemutungamiriri wenyika yezimbabwe vaEmmerson Mnangagwa musi wa7 July. Ndo nhaurwa yatanga tiinayo pano. Kune vashanya musakanganwa kutsigira kuburikidza nekusubscribe.